So, we're jacking the boat up here, get the tires back on, and I got back from the tire shop. And the video camera is in case I get mushed. Somebody can bear witness to my idiocy. It ain't that big a deal, really. I don't know how guys do this for a living. Make tire work. So, the tires I had on here were just not going to handle the load. I had 80 pounds of air in them, and it looked like there was about 5 when I had the load on it. They were like a 8-ply. I think these are 20-ply. So we'll see. We'll get a load on it, see what it looks like. This is my the most expensive way I've ever saved money in my life. This dolly. Well, it's got a lot to do with my sight. I got a hell of a hill to get up and down, and no one wants to come down it. What you guys doing? Huh? Come here, ma'am.
Did you find an ninja knife for me?
Come in here. Oh, don't hit that, okay? Did I what?
Did you find a ninja knife for me?
A ninja knife? Not yet.
What?
Not yet.
Well, I can't find one. Alright, so I've got half the boat is sitting on the front 2 tires, steering axle of my dolly. There's some deflection, but it's much better than it was, and I believe that it's going to be okay. I'd feel better if it wasn't as bulged. I think the tires can get hot, but I don't think it's going to get that hot. And I'm going to have a spare. So I'll have a tire service on call when I move this thing. Pretty good tire, looks pretty good, but we'll do this during the week so nothing bad happens, and we'll have our tire guy ready to go in the service truck. So that's what I got. Onward.